everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a super long time since I've done a synthetic wig review for you guys, and I do have a lot more, but today this is going to be a double wig review from Sensationnel, the Dashley collection. I did purchase these wigs. These wigs were not sent to me, so of course you're going to get an honest review out of me, and we're going to style these things and we're going to see what they looking like because they're brand new, and I've seen a lot of good reviews, and I've also seen a lot of cute pictures, which is what made me pick these up. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first one that I have for you guys is the Dashley unit number 8 in T2 copper, and you can heat this up to 350 to 400 degrees, and it has a deep center part, and it also has baby hair. As you guys can see, like, it has a lot of baby hair, and it's supposed to have ear-to-ear lace. And I'm so mad that I could not find this color. This color was completely sold out. This is the color I really wanted, but I really do like the copper colors too, so I think we'll be okay. Let's just see, is there anything special? I do believe that I paid like an extra $4 just to get this color because it's a special color technically. So I believe this wig was about $42, which isn't bad. It might even been like 40 or 30 something. It really wasn't a bad find, and I got this from divatress.com because they ship the fastest. So yeah, so let's get right into it. Ooh, she's long, y'all. Ooh, it sheds. Ooh, this wig is shedder. Ooh. Hold up. I ain't even taking it out or cut the lace yet, and it's already shedding. So yeah, so look. Literally already shedding. I'm gonna have hair everywhere. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the packaging. Here is the part. It does have a very deep part, and this is the only place that is partable, so it's not like a lace front. It's literally just right there. It does have combs on the inside. It has a breathable cap, as you guys can see, and it has comb on the back and adjustable straps. First thing I'm gonna do is adjust these straps before we try it on. Okay, so my straps are adjusted. I'm about to put this thing on. Ooh, I'm loving the color. The color is cute. Okay, so this is the wig. It lays flat. Hallelujah. One thing is, this wig is bushy. Like, it's tangled already. I'm gonna stand up because it's kind of long, so I want you guys to see. Ooh, this thing is a shedder. Oh Lord. Come on, Sensationnel. Like, normally y'all don't let me down. This wig is shedding like crazy. But one thing I can say is, what I really like about this is the fact that I probably wouldn't need any glue or any spray to hold this down. This wig is very, very secure, and I have a really small head, so it's hard to find wigs that like are super secure on my head, but this color is everything. Another thing that I noticed is that the back is thin. Like, I can feel where my hair is in the little ponytail. So it's kind of thin in the back, but it's kind of realistic. But look, ooh, I don't know if I just got like a bad wig. Somebody returned it and tried it on or something, but oh my God. All right, so let's get into this baby hair because it's supposed to have baby hair, and I thought I saw it. Here go one piece. I don't know where the rest went. Okay, there goes some right there. Okay, so I'm not too concerned about the baby hair, but I am gonna cut this lace off. It's time. And I'm just making sure that I'm cutting as close to the perimeter as possible. So I'm just gonna move that for you guys. Now I do feel like the lace being ear to ear is more for like someone who has a larger head than me, because this lace is still kind of long, but I can work with it. I ain't mad at it. So what I'm going to do right now is just clean up this part a little bit with some concealer that I had left over on a brush. So this is what it looks like. No extra work. I don't have to glue it down. It's pretty secure. And I'm not about to glue this down, especially not for this video, because I'm doing another wig for you guys, but I want you guys to see this one. So this is what it looks like, and I'm not feeling this. Like, I'm not feeling this extra long part for some reason. Like, I love the body that's right here. This is gorgeous. Okay, so I think we're gonna cut her for sure. But this, yeah, this looks so much better this way, and it's not shedding as much. So I think the long hair in the back just sheds. Alright, so this is what it looks like after cutting all this extra hair off. And it even feels better. Oh my gosh. So I think I want to do a little bit of face framing on this side. Just in the front, just a little bit. I'm not going to go crazy. Well, I'm telling myself I'm not going to go crazy, but I might. There we go. Now she is saying something. Babe, come here. Let me ask you. Which side do you like the best? The longer side or the shorter side?
Short one.
Short one? Me too. Yeah, this looks so much better, just shorter, and it even looks fuller short. Alright, so we're gonna do this other side. Hopefully I don't mess this side up. Hopefully it still be the same. I think that's good. I don't want to overcut, and I also need to do some face framing. I think I did. No, I also need to do some face framing on this side. And I'm sorry, y'all, I did not intend for this first wig to be like super long of a video, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And boom, just like that, she is giving. Okay, and just like that, a brand new woman. She is cute. Yes. Okay. Yeah, now this is everything to me. This is gorgeous. And it's not shedding as much. Big pro. A big pro. But yeah, this is definitely saying something to me right now. So yes, so you guys let me know what you guys think. If you liked it long or if you like it like this. But I personally think that I like it like this. This is the Unit 7. So this is Sensationnel wig. It can be heated up to 350 to 400 degrees if you want to restyle her. This is a lace front wig with a deep side part, ear to ear lace, and I got her in Money Piece Blonde. So we gonna see what she looking like. Okay, as you guys know, it comes with the standard stuff inside, all the plastic, and she's actually, no, she's not. The plastic is actually nailed to the, or stapled to the box. I don't know why they need all this plastic and paper in here. I mean, I get you supposed to, you know, keep the shape of the wig, but They don't need all that paper. Oh, she cute. Look. Oh, oh, she's cute. Okay, let's cut this tag off. And this wig also has baby hair. If you guys can see that, it has baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace off so we can jump into the unit. And as y'all know, I just cut closest to the perimeter as possible so it looks natural. I do want to show you guys this right here. So it has lace, but this is your part right here, and this is the only part that you can part it in. And I'm mad that you can't turn it into a middle part if you wanted to. That's what sucks. So let me just adjust my straps, and then we're gonna get her on. Okay, my straps are adjusted. Let's get this baby on. Ooh, okay. Now, I don't normally wear my part on the right side, which I wish they would have gave you an option to flip the hair to the other side, because I normally wear my hair this way. But we gonna see. We gonna see what she giving. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. This wig also lays completely flat out of the package. Well, she giving Sierra vibes. I like this. Okay. And y'all can play with the baby hair if you want to. I don't really get into all of that unless I'm like gluing this down, which I'm not, because this is strictly for review. And what am I looking for? I am going to attempt to comb her out, y'all, because she a little stiff. Okay, she looking a little better. It does tangle, just so y'all know. And I probably needed a wide tooth comb, but I don't have that on me right now. And I think I'm gonna shift this just a little bit to give me a deeper part. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, now this Dashley unit isn't as tangly as that unit number 8. That number 8 had a bunch of tangles. With this one, I can actually get my comb through with just a little bit of tangles. It's nothing too crazy. Well, this is a pretty color. This is pretty, and it's thick. Well, it ain't super thick, but it's a lot of hair. So this is the hair right here. I am loving this color. And I do believe this wig was also about 35 or 30 something, 37, and then I had to pay like an extra $4 for the color. This wig is also a shedder. I don't know what's going on. Normally Sensationnel wigs don't shed, but these new ones are shedding. This lace is ear to ear. As you guys can see, it's like tucked behind my ear, so it like blends in with my hair, so that way I don't have to glue this down. Okay, let's get the combs in. Now I do feel like this wig is a little bit more roomy than the unit 7. I'm sorry, the unit 8. This unit is number 7. So the unit number 8 is a little bit more tight to my head, but with this one, it's a little bit thicker in the back to where you can't really see where my ponytail is. So I like that aspect. This color is everything. I'm just trying to move back so you guys can see. Yeah, the color is everything. This is cute. So let me go ahead and put my concealer on the part. And I might need some more, but that's good for now. Okay, this is also cute. This is cute. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can see her. Alright, just so y'all can get the full effect. Here she is. This is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And the hair does have dark roots all the way through, y'all. Just like the unit number 8. The unit number 8 also has dark roots all the way through. And I think, I don't know, I want to do something to this. Maybe I'm just not into like super long hair anymore. I don't know. But I feel like this needs to be chopped too. And I'm thinking all of this needs to come off. Oh. This is sad. I don't know. What y'all think? I'm thinking that the hair needs to come off. Okay, y'all. So, I think that I have decided that she's going to get cut. She's going to have to get cut. And it sucks. But I just don't think I'm into this long hair anymore. I shouldn't have bought long wigs if I was just going to cut them. But sometimes the colors and the placement play a big part in my wig choices. But I do like this. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep this one long since I cut the number 8 unit. This one is not that bad. This one is actually really pretty. Alright, so I think I'm going to keep this one long. But I do want to do just a little bit more face framing on it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that while you guys are watching, so you guys know exactly what I'm doing. And I'm taking this big old chunk. This is the very front. Taking this big old chunk right here, and I'm going in a downward motion just to give me a little bit more of a face frame. There we go. There we go. And I think I'm just going to chop this just a little bit so it's a little bit shorter on this side as well. And I'm going to go downwards. Alright. Yeah, see, here we go. Here we go. More layers. Give me layers. Give me layers. Yes, this color is everything, y'all. Yeah, this looks a whole lot better with them shorter pieces in the front now. Okay, so again, my only con is that this wig tangles and it sheds, but it does fit snug. It does come ear to ear. I do not have to glue this down. This is secure. And it's really pretty. I love this color. This color, oh yeah. I do want to shorten it. I don't know what you guys think. I don't know. I might have to shorten this wig. Maybe just this. Like, it'll still be long, but just take off this extra blonde at the bottom. I don't know, that kind of makes the wig, doesn't it? I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like this, but that's my review, you guys. This wig does have a breathable cap, and it's literally made just like the number 8. I'll leave a link down below if you guys haven't seen the number 8 video. So yes, I'm just gonna move a little bit closer. It is a silky texture. The color is really pretty, and I love the fact that the color choice is not chunky. It's like a balayage. So of course you guys can play around with your baby hair and all of that, but I really don't like too much baby hair most of the time. So let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. And of course I probably will end up cutting this, I'm not gonna lie, because it's so much hair. I don't know, but she's cute though. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.